Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best overhead door garage door opener is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of a modern home, providing unparalleled convenience and security for your vehicles and belongings, ensuring seamless entry and exit with just the push of a button, and transforming your daily routine with its reliable performance and advanced features that cater to the needs of busy households. Number 5. 2 Replacement Garage Door Opener Remotes. Introducing a 2-pack of replacement garage door opener remotes, designed for effortless access to your garage. These remotes offer a convenient solution for your daily needs. Specifically engineered for compatibility with IntelliCode Genie and overhead door garage door openers manufactured since 1997. Please ensure your existing remote uses IntelliCode technology, not dip switches. These are compatible with a wide range of IntelliCode models, including ACSCTG Type 1, 2, and 3, as well as many others listed for your convenience. Check the compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your garage door from up to 150 feet away. This extended range ensures you have quick access without any waiting time. Programming these remotes is incredibly straightforward with simple push-button setup. No complex wiring or additional receivers are needed, making installation a breeze. Each remote comes complete with a battery, a visor clip for easy storage, and clear instructions. Getting started is as simple as following the provided guide. What we like. This replacement remote comes in a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you always have a backup. It offers an impressive 150-foot control range for quick access. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable way to replace lost or broken remotes for your Genie or overhead door opener, this is a great choice. What people say. Instructions outline programming for older versus newer Genie openers and was easy to do. Programming both hand openers took less than a minute and worked properly. Physically, the remote is very similar in size and style to the original Genie remote, albeit slightly slimmer. It shares the original's ability to defeat most attempts to access the battery without tools. These garage openers also have great range. And the click the button makes is so satisfying. Number 4. Universal Garage Door Opener Keypad. Introducing a universal garage door opener keypad, designed for seamless integration with major brands like LiftMaster, Chamberlain, Craftsman, and Wayne Dalton. It's the keyless entry solution you've been looking for. This wireless keypad works with openers produced since 1993, featuring purple, yellow, red, orange, or green learn buttons. It's designed to replace older models, offering broad compatibility for your convenience. Gain access to your garage without a remote or key. Simply program your own 4-digit code for secure, keyless entry. It's a smart and safe way to manage your garage door. Enjoy wireless installation and programming with large, backlit buttons for easy use, even in low light. A protective rain cover is included, and it even features a one-touch close option. Equipped with the latest rolling code technology, it synchronizes with your opener to prevent interference. Control up to 3 doors with a single keypad and provide temporary access codes for visitors. Your purchase includes the keypad, an installation guide, a battery, and mounting hardware. We offer excellent after-sales support and a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you're always covered. What we like. Gain secure, keyless access to your garage with this universal keypad. It allows you to control up to 3 different garage door openers with a single device. If you frequently have guests, service providers, or simply want the convenience of entering a code instead of fumbling for a remote, this keypad is ideal. What people say. The keypad came neatly packed in the box along with the instructions for installation and 2 screws. It took me less than 10 minutes to install this from the time I opened the box until the keypad was in place on the wall. The keypad beeps each time you press a number and when you press enter. I really like this feature because you know it is registering the touch of each button. Number 3. Genie and Overhead Door Garage Door Opener Remote GITR 3 OCDTR 3. This remote is universally compatible with Genie and overhead door garage door openers manufactured from 1997 to the present. It's designed to work seamlessly with most IntelliCode models, ensuring broad usability. Experience top-notch security with its AutoSeek rolling code technology. This feature provides advanced anti-theft protection, keeping your garage safe and secure at all times. Built to last, this remote features an ABS alloy casing that has undergone 100,000 validation tests. It's FCC certified and designed to withstand drops, ensuring long-lasting performance. Enjoy extended use thanks to its long-lasting battery life. It's equipped with a 240 mAh lithium battery and a smart low-power chip for superior performance. This remote offers a convenient 164-foot control range and is easy to pair with your garage door motor. Its compact design makes it perfect for your car's sun visor. We stand behind our product with a 10-year warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This remote boasts an exceptional 10-year warranty, offering unparalleled peace of mind. Its robust ABS alloy casing is built to withstand drops, and it features advanced rolling code technology for top-tier security. If durability and long-term reliability are your top priorities, this remote is a solid investment. What people say. Worked right away with provided instructions. No muss, no fuss. This is a great product and is easy to use and to set up. It functions flawlessly just like the original. They have been working well for our garage doors for the past month now. They are easy to use and install. The instructions that come with are also pretty easy to follow. Number 2. Genie Garage Door Opener Remote G3T, a G3T, or G3T-BX. Introducing the Genie Garage Door Opener Remote, designed for seamless integration with your existing system. Enjoy peace of mind with a 10-year warranty. This universal remote is compatible with Genie Garage Door Openers from 1997 to the present. Please note it does not support dip switch openers. Engineered for longevity, it has been tested over 100,000 times and features advanced rolling code technology for enhanced security and anti-theft protection. It comes equipped with a long-lasting battery and a third-generation low-power chip for extended use. Its compact design makes it convenient to carry. This device is fully FCC certified, ensuring compliance and reliability. You also get access to 24/7 Amazon technical support for any assistance you may need. We stand by the quality of our product with an extensive 10-year warranty. Contact us anytime for support, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. With a 10-year warranty and a long-lasting battery, this remote is designed for convenience and longevity. Its compact size makes it perfect for attaching to a car's sun visor. If you value extended battery life and a remote that's always within easy reach, consider this option. What people say. These are a great replacement for my OEM ones and they were darn cheap for a set of 2. They were also super easy to program that it took me less than 2 minutes and they work perfectly. The 2-pack Genie Garage Door Opener Universal Remote offered me a great solution for controlling my garage door with ease. Its straightforward setup process was hassle-free, while its compatibility with a wide range of garage door openers made it a versatile choice for me. With reliable performance and multiple programmable buttons, I can effortlessly manage multiple garage doors or gates. The remote's compact design fits comfortably in hand, and its long battery life ensures uninterrupted operation. These were very easy to program and have good range. As others have said, the buttons don't have any tactical feel but once pressed the garage door opens immediately. Number 1. Genie Garage Door Opener Keypad Replacement GKR OKP-BX. This wireless keypad offers wide compatibility with various Genie and overhead door openers using IntelliCode and dip switch technology. It's designed to replace several common models, ensuring a convenient solution for your garage access needs. Forget your remote? No problem. This device allows you to easily open and close your garage door without it. It's the perfect solution for those times when you might have forgotten your remote control. Get set up in minutes with our easy-to-follow manual. Simply confirm your opener's make and model, then program it according to our specific instructions. Remember to turn off your opener before starting for a successful setup. Experience safe and reliable access with IntelliCode technology. It generates a new code with every use, preventing unauthorized access. You can even provide temporary codes for visitors without compromising your main password. This keypad features an upgraded clamshell design made from waterproof and corrosion-resistant materials for a long service life. Its backlit numbers ensure easy visibility, even in the dark, and it can control up to 3 doors. Everything you need is included: the keypad, installation guide, batteries, and mounting hardware. If you have any questions or aren't completely satisfied, our support team is ready to help and ensure you're happy with your purchase. What we like. This keypad offers broad compatibility, including with dip switch openers, which many others don't support. Its waterproof and corrosion-resistant design ensures durability, and the backlit numbers make it easy to use in any lighting condition. If you have an older opener or need a keypad that can withstand the elements, this is the one to get. What people say. The keys feel better. I get tactile and audio feedback, and it was as easy to pair as the OEM. The LED lighting is much stronger. It also has audible sound on press, which makes it way easier to know when a press has registered. It has temp pin capability, was a perfect fit for the replacement, and the instructions were great. Backlight is nice and bright. The unit fits precisely where my other one was positioned. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.